Why did one of my radios turn on here?
Southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Philadelphia County.
Oh, Philadelphia. Hold up.
Until 4:45 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Andalusia, or 11 miles northeast of Philadelphia.
Okay, what the heck?
40 miles per hour.
We got an SVR as soon as I started the stream. What the heck?
And quarter-size hail.
Bro.
Source, radar indicated.
Oh my gosh.
Impact, minor damage
What the
to vehicles
hell?
is possible.
There's no way.
Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Trenton,
It's on KCC31.
London, Florence, Burlington, Bristol, Mount Holly, Riverside, Palmyra, Beverly,
Oh wait, it's not. Bruh.
Wrighttown,
It's on WXL39 actually.
and Florence Roadway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the north floor of the building.
Yeah, WXL39. What the heck? Bro. What? There's no way. I just started my stream and this happened. Wow. What the heck?
The following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, and Monmouth, and the following counties.
Oh wait, it was on
Pennsylvania, and Philadelphia.
WXL60. I missed it, bro. Okay, what the heck?